is up, gamers? GamerGal here, and welcome back to Cuphead. Okay, so, what boss should I go to first? I'm gonna go to this boss first. Bandits of Bon Bon and Sugarland Shimmy. Okay. The cupcake house looks very delicious. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Little, jawbreaker. I was gonna say gumdrop, but that's not correct. Okay. Ah, frick. I don't know why I did that. That was bad. Okay. No. Jeez. That house is terrifying. Oh, what? Okay. I didn't think it was gonna go that far. Oh, I could parry those. I gotta watch out for those. Okay. Oh, well, okay. The platform got in my way. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, buddy, whoa. Whoa. Freaking gumballs and crap. Ooh. I could parry the, I ran right into the blue one. I chew them up and spit them out. Oh, jeez. Oh, I was almost there. To the last phase. Right on the line. Okay. Oh, it's swapped. It's randomized. Okay. Interesting. Watch out for the gumballs. There we go. Okay. As long as I can get rid of him first, that's fairly easy. Oh, what are you? Well, obviously you're a waffle. What? Oh, okay, interesting. Do not come near me! Frick! Oh my god, oh my god. How the hell? Well, okay, I got him. I lost 2 HP in the process. God dang it. Ooh, candy corn. God dang it, I hit you! Let's bull. Ah, frick. I jumped right into him. For me, a sweet tooth is fiendishly uncouth? Is that what that says? Okay. What now? Candy corn dude. Ay. I don't know. Oh, come on. Should have dashed to avoid that. Does he always go in a straight square? Oh no, he doesn't. Okay. Is it random or does he follow me? Hey. Watch where you're going, man. Oh, dang it. Could have ducked to dodge that. I'm gonna use my super. God dang it. I'm almost dead. I do not like this candy corn guy. I love candy corn. It's one of my favorite candies. Okay. What are you gonna throw me now? Okay, gumball guy. That's not good. I only have 1 HP left. Wait. God, there's so much to pay attention to. Wait. Okay. The jawbreaker is, thankfully easy. I do not appreciate that. Okay, well, at least those don't chase me. Oh, can I shoot them? I think I can shoot them. Wait. Come on. Okay, yes. What now? Oh. Do I have to... Oh, what? Okay. Alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Can I... What do I shoot? I shoot her? Okay, I shoot her. Oh my god, okay. Yo, god dang it. I should have dodged the other way. I won't sugarcoat it, you never stood a chance. Is that so? Okay. Okay. I've got 2 HP, that's... Okay, if I just stay on the platform, I'll be fine. Okay, that went a little bit too fast. Come on. Ah, god dang it, I should have known to dodge that. Wait, that was close. Oh, come on. I didn't know it was leaving. Oh, I was so close. God dang it. Okay. God, the heads are what messed me up. Ooh, I just barely dodged that. Okay. Nope. Will not. Just keep shooting. Hey. The dash really freaking helps, like, extremely. Come on. Yes! Ah! Oh yeah, weep your little candy tears, I don't care. Throw a little tantrum. Hell yeah. Okay. Jeez, I'm probably gonna get like a C. Okay, I was expecting a D. A C is, it's decent. Ooh, this area is unlocked now. Hell yeah. Okay. Let's do an actual level. Ooh, who are you? You can't catch me unless you take a shortcut. That's what some punk kids did last week. It's the only way they could have beaten me to the rides. Say, maybe you could show me where the shortcut is around here? Shortcut? Don't know. Yeah, I remembered right. At last, I thought I'd never see another living soul again. I lost my way while searching for coins. No one has money for haircuts these days thanks to that blasted casino. Well, I'd better get back to my pals in the quartet. Oh, look at that, found the little buddy. Okay. Oh, look at them, they're all happy now. Oh boy, you did it, we're a quartet once more. Gee, you must have run yourself rag tracking him down. We can't thank you enough, let's celebrate with a song. Ready, boys? Key of B flat.
It's nice to rest your eyes and maybe go outside. Grab a book and get some air. So what are you waiting for? Why not take a quick break? Tune the radio. There's chores to do, there's leaves to rake. Strum the old banjo. You can practice your Lindy Hop. And maybe later sing with your barbershop. Why not take a little quick break and come back for more? Then come back for more. Please come back for more.
Aw, that was lovely. I love that. That was adorable. Oh my god. Okay. Funfair Fever. Alright, oh my god, I remember this one being super hard. Ah, I ran right into that. Well, that's okay. Not some good luck right there. Oh, okay, interesting. Oh. Hey. How? Come here. God dang, can I shoot them? Okay, I can. Oi, maybe not best to shoot them. Oi! Jeez, even parrying them frickin' does that. Okay. Just keep going, just keep going. Oi. Okay. No, I don't like you. I do not like you. Die. Can I? Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that just makes the ball go faster. But it gets him out of the way, so that's good. Ooh! Hell yeah. Infinite parries. Do I shoot? What do I do here? Oh, these guys shoot. Okay, interesting. If I shoot the top guys, then I don't have to worry about that. Oh, what? What shot it? Oh, there's other guys over there, aren't there? Oh, I fell. You didn't look for us today, but clown trials are next week. Uh-huh, yeah. Well then. Gosh dang it. Nope, die. Do not feel like dealing with you. Oh. We're sleeping. That's adorable. Oi, do not. Oi. No, come on. Hey, no. God, these freaking balloons are effing me up. I'm not even gonna bother with the coin. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, good. Yep, not even gonna give you a chance to shoot me. Give me that parry. Nope. Oh, those guys don't even shoot it. It's... Oh, come on! Really? Picked the worst time for it to shoot it. While I was... Oh, come on! I could have made that. For being stupid. Yeah, it's the freaking cannons that shoot. Yeah, get out of here. With your freaking shooting balls and crap. I'll have none of that. None of that bull. Oh, hey, I didn't even see you. Die. Whoa. Whoa, okay, alright. How the hell am I supposed to dodge those? Oh, I killed him and it was... Ah, I was right there, wasn't I? Oh, no, actually, that wasn't the end? Okay. Die, you stupid. I wonder if I can parry, that'd be nice. Oh my god, I can. I can totally cheat it. Because I'm hitting him, look. Ah, I got you before you could even register I was there. Sucker. Oh. Oh my god, that pretzel. Oh my god, I love him. He's so dopey. Whoa. Ketchup. And mustard. Snacks. Okay. Hey. Nope, and relish. Oh, I could have gotten that if the frickin' thing wouldn't have moved. Again, with the goddamn relish. I need to determine my whatever is better. My dodging. My timing better, I guess. Come on. Snacks and treats. I'm assuming that says. Yeah, it 100% says treats. Okay. Ooh, that was risky. Where's the guy? There you are. No! Ah. It got aided. Ooh! Yay! That's the end! Hell yeah. C+. Ooh. Another shop. What should I get? I mean, I don't really need nothing. Unless there's new stuff. No, it's the same. Spread. You can get close to your target. Visible dash, you will not take damage. That would actually be helpful. Ooh. Spearmeter continuously fills in addition what you earn. Ooh. Maybe... Let's... Okay, so my charm. Oh, it's either Invisible Dash or... I do like the extra heart. I'll keep the extra heart for now. What do we got over here? Nothing? Well, there's up here. Ooh. So you have spoken with Quadratus, the watery being across the aisle? That is something few others can claim. Huh, alright. Another mausoleum. We gotta save the chalice again. Starting off with the small boys, huh? If I can return to the middle every time, then I'll be good. It's gonna not fall. Use that dash to my advantage. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, buddy, hey, hey, hey! You are fast and weird. It's like a little girly girl one. You going circling all over the place. Ooh, I just barely got that one. No. I wonder if they hurt me if I just run into them. Probably. Ooh, just barely got that one. Yay! I knew if I raided around here I could find something special for you, but I didn't know I'd get trapped again. Thanks for saving me a second time. Take this magical super art, and I'll see if I can find you another. Alright, sweet. Cool. What did I get this time? Invincibility. Crush the astral plane, become invulnerable for a short time. Now that is helpful. I do like the energy beam, but I rarely even use it. But the invincibility, that is good. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Let's go here. Wally warbles in aviary action. Okay. Oh, it's a little cuckoo clock. It's a birdie bird. Can I? Whoop! I forgot the shoot button for a second. That's fine. Okay, I did not expect those to explode from behind. Oy vey. Oh my god, the little birds with the nails. Oy vey. I own the air, fly while eagles dare. Jesus Christ, I did not get far. I wonder if, can I shoot the eggs before they explode back there? Nope, okay. I just gotta dodge them. Frick. That's hard. Ooh, second phase. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Your feathers are going all over the place, buddy. Oh my god, that's a lot of things to pay attention to. Oh, frick. Could have parried him. I picked a bad time to use that. God, I picked the worst time to use that. Jeez. This one's actually not that hard to dodge. I say as I jinx it entirely, yeah, entirely, I guess. Parry him. Ooh, the sun. Interesting. Oh my god, the eggs. Can I shoot them? Oi, oi, vey. You're going, oh, okay, apparently I can't turn around. That's, ooh, hell yeah. Thanks for that, buddy. I'm gonna super you. Because, screw you. Oh my god, okay. Oh, get away from me. Come on. Oi. No, frick. I knew that was gonna hit me. Thank God for that invincibility. Jesus Christ. Give me that parry. Ah! I got him! Hell yeah. Oy vey. Can I? Okay, I have to shoot him to, like, from down here. While also avoiding all these. Oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta shoot his heart. Okay, interesting. Parry that. Wait, you're going this way. Okay. Oi, oi, I could have parried that and dodged that. Frick. Oh! Even without my feathers for stormy weather. Oi, I'm so close. Okay. That went by quickly. I don't think I'm gonna survive him, though. If I'm being completely honest. Oi! Oh my god, thank God for that invincibility. Oh, I ran right into it! My dad's the burn and I'm all brains together, we've been vain. Yeah. Wait, he's coming over here. Okay, I can parry that. Okay, alright, that was not a good decision. Wait. No, I ran right into it! I was so close! Shoot him with those supers. Take him out quicker. Parry whenever you can. Wait, you're going over here. Okay, yeah, sure. Just don't. Don't even. Yes, parries. Parries are good. No, that is not good. Okay, that's good. Yeah, get his heart out. Yes! Ah! Oh, they're gonna eat him. Hey, cannibalism! That is straight up cannibalism. Woo! Okay. Oy vey, 3.5 minutes. God damn. I got my super mate all the way up. Come on, give me a decent grade. B. Alright, bet. Oh, Rainbow, that's adorable. Okay. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna leave it here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Holy shit. God damn. I think out of all of the bosses so far, Wally Warbles has definitely given me the most trouble. Ouch, my elbow. Oh my god. Why was he so hard? It's because everything was shooting everywhere. The freaking tiny sunbird or whatever, his son was messing me up the most with the freaking spiky eggs and not knowing where he was going and all that. But I didn't. So, that's good. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.